Today we're going to walk you through one of the renovations that we're almost done with here in Bloomfield. We've been working on this since December, so it's been like about 5-month renovation with all the permits, all the inspections. So let's get to it. All right, once you walk in here, you could see we did an open concept. There's a lot of stuff in here, furniture and belongings. And
there was a big wall in here.
Yeah, there was a wall in here going all the way through, and then this was divided into two, like dining and living. We love making open concepts, especially houses like this in this area. You want to walk in, you want to see the whole space, right? So we took the wall down, we did the LVL
over here,
and we have a post that's going all the way down to the basement.
Yeah.
And then we love lighting. We're really known by lighting. Look, we have some cool lighting ideas here. We got some throughout the steps too, like really cool LED lights. So it adds a little bit of
modern
style to it, right? So we got a lot of recessed lights, still got a couple lights going. In here, again, we said this, we created an open concept. We have a full bathroom here on the first floor, actually. All tile work is done. We got the vanity, and then we're gonna have a toilet here as well. Awesome. And then the kitchen is gonna go here. So the kitchen cabinets are not in yet. That will be the next step. When is that scheduled, Kareem?
Next week, we're gonna have a kitchen in here.
So the kitchen will go here, appliances. Do you have the design of the kitchen, how it's going to be?
Yeah, so we got the sink in here, a dishwasher beside it, fridge all the way to the back, more cabinets, a stove, a microwave, some more cabinets also, and there's going to be a pantry in here.
Are you going to have a pantry in here?
And for sure, backsplash.
Backsplash. So this will be the kitchen area. You got a nice door in the back here. All new doors, all new drywall. This was like what, $20,000 drywall job to re-drywall this house, you know? So it's a big house. You could see, get a nice kitchen door here that takes you to the backyard. Now we're gonna go to the second floor. So let's go up and take a look at the second floor. All right, once you come up here to the second floor, we moved the laundry to come up here. So we're gonna have the washer and dryer. Kareem, is that gonna stay open, right?
Yeah.
Washer and dryer right here. Got all the hookups done. And then we have the bedroom here. This is the first bedroom with closet, recessed lights in all the bedrooms, new doors, new closet doors.
Closets.
Yeah, we always made the closets, as we say in all the videos. We're trying to, a lot of Pittsburgh homes don't have closet space, so we made really good closet space in these rooms. Over here, you'll see we got the second bedroom here. New windows, recessed lights, and you got two nice closet spaces here. Two nice closets built in, did all the framing, drywall. You could see as we're walking, all the new HVAC, there was all new duct, new vents. And then when you walk in here, this is the third bedroom, and you get closet space as well, recessed lights. We like putting fans in the bedroom. And still here on the second floor, you got the shared bathroom. All the tile work is done. Got the new vanity as well. And then we're gonna walk into the third floor and one of the best features about this house. So let's go upstairs. Here, there used to be a wall here as well too that divided this into two bedrooms. We did take the wall down, right?
Yeah, that's the master one.
This is the master bedroom. You got recessed lights. The client wanted some accent wall here. You got new flooring.
Build a new closet as well.
Build a new closet here as well.
It's a big one.
And so you walk in here, you'll see a lot of tile work. Tile work is complete. Our tile guys did a really good job on the tile. The plumber is going to come finish. We're going to have a tub here and a shower. So it's going to be a mix between a tub and a shower. You can see all tile, all the bathroom floor are tile all the walls, the window. We got a nice double vanity here, double sink vanity.